Hello and welcome to our video on the intersection of neuroscience and philosophy and how they come together to explore the mind-body problem. The mind-body problem is one of the oldest and most challenging philosophical questions of all time. It asks, what is the relationship between the mind and the body? How do they interact? How do our thoughts and experiences relate to our physical existence? While philosophers have debated this question for centuries, recent advances in neuroscience have shed new light on the matter. Neuroscience is the study of the brain and nervous system and how they control our behavior and experience. It has transformed our understanding of the mind and brain, showing us that mental processes and behaviors have a physical basis in the brain. For example, we know that emotions like fear and happiness are associated with specific neural pathways and brain structures. This scientific understanding of the brain has sparked new discussions about the mind-body relationship and has led many to argue that the mind and body are not separate entities but are intimately connected. This view is known as physicalism or materialism, and it holds that all mental phenomena, such as thoughts, emotions, and consciousness, are inextricably linked to the physical brain. Much of the philosophical debate surrounding the mind-body problem has focused on the nature of consciousness. Consciousness is the subjective experience of awareness, and it is not fully understood how it arises from the physical brain. Some philosophers argue that consciousness is an emergent property of the brain, meaning it arises from the complexity of the brain's physical processes. Others think consciousness cannot be fully explained by any physical process and may require a non-physical explanation. The philosophical and scientific debates surrounding the mind-body problem are complex, and there are no easy answers. However, the intersection of neuroscience and philosophy provides a unique opportunity to explore these questions in new ways. By combining the empirical data of neuroscience with philosophical inquiry and intuition, we may begin to unlock new insights into the nature of the mind and body. One prominent idea that has emerged from this interdisciplinary approach is the concept of embodied cognition. This view holds that the mind is not just located in the brain but is also distributed throughout the body and the environment. Our physical experiences and interactions with the world shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. In other words, the mind is not separate from the body but is deeply intertwined with it. Embodied cognition has important implications for how we think about the mind-body relationship, as it suggests that our physical experiences and bodily sensations are not just peripheral to our mental experiences but are an integral part of them. Another important area of research at the intersection of neuroscience and philosophy is the study of free will. Free will is our ability to make choices and decisions that are not determined by prior causes. This concept is essential to our moral and legal systems, but it is also one of the most contentious topics in philosophy. Recent neuroscience research has shown that many of our decisions and behaviors are influenced by unconscious processes in the brain. This has led some to argue that free will is an illusion and that our choices are determined by our brain's physical processes. However, other philosophers and scientists dispute this view, arguing that free will is compatible with determinism by suggesting that our conscious experience shapes our behavior in such a way as to allow us freedom of choice. In conclusion, the intersection of neuroscience and philosophy provides a unique opportunity to explore the mind-body problem and other complex philosophical questions in new ways. While there are no easy answers, this interdisciplinary approach can help us gain new insights into the nature of consciousness, free will, and how the mind and body are inseparably linked. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on science and philosophy.